Hello, this is Pug Gaming, and I just got my ears pierced, but I just wanted to show you my fish. So, we have the male right there. There's the pregnant one. See, those two are pregnant, and they're about to give birth. And then we have the baby fish. Somewhere right there. So cute. And I have 10 baby fish. Are there any over here? They're usually all just hiding. There's another baby fish right there. And let's see what's keeping them. Let me just roll up my sleeve. Ta-da! Is there any in here? I don't want to hurt you. Okay, now they're coming out. See? I have 10 baby fish. Take the beehive, shake it. Babies in here. Looks like they're... Oh, there. There. Okay. Okay. And there's 2 fish that are pregnant. This one. And that one. And so, yeah. Goodbye.